Guys, lately, fidget spinners have been blowing up recently, and I've gotten a hold of 2 of them, and I just can't get my hands off them. They're so fun to use. It's not even funny. I just can't stop using it. I just can't. I can see why everyone loves them so much. They're so fun to use. Even look at some examples. When I'm on the piano. Oh. When I'm eating. Please ignore that I'm eating the air. Even when I'm in the bathroom. Wait. Just wait a second. Oh, okay. I just can't get enough of these things. Whatever I do, I'm on the fidget spinner. Even though I'm recording the camera right now, I'm using a fidget spinner. Alright guys, so that was the skit. I've worked pretty hard on this, so please enjoy. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, and see ya.